right, everybody, we're going to go to 6-inch Senko.
Stop the camera and start it before you start speaking.
I did. Good, now we've gone to the Senko. Got him. First cast. Feels like a pretty good fish. Yeah.
I thought you were joking.
No. Pretty nice. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh. Pretty.
Oh God.
Oh man, I just love them. I just love them. Keep the camera on that, baby. I'm all twisted up here. Nice. That's a nice fish. Okay, Paul Bass Man showing us what to do here, baby. Bring the fish over here so I can get a good close-up of it in the water. Hey fans, look at this. All right, Paul, bring him up, baby. I got you on camera. All right, the Potomac is showing you what it's got. Okay, bring him up here.
Captain Mike's putting me on the fish as always. God bless America.
You want a still shot of that one?
No, we're good. Go ahead.
All right, go ahead and put him back. We're going to show the live release, everybody. Beautiful job, Paul. Thank you, Lord. What a beautiful bass. Potomac River bassing, everybody. Wahoo! That's a good fish, Bubba. Here, I'm filming you again, so that's okay. We want fish catches. It's a nice fish. Watch the pole. You got the yellow tack. You're about to hit it. Going around the boat with him. This is a good film. This is exciting. Is it a big one?
Yeah, he's good. He's barely hooked though.
We'll go to kneel down, show everybody how to lip him.
He's not big. He's a cutie pie though.
Got him. Got him. Feels like a head shaker. Watch out, I got it. He's running to the boat. Oh, oh. Wow. Oh.
Lip him, lip him.
Keep the camera rolling, baby.
What's up, Mike? Taking a break?
What do you think of that? Uh-oh. By the conventional man's standards at all when I'm on this river. Got him. It's a good fish. He's tearing grass. This is a really good fish.
Take your time, mate.
Oh, he's a head shaker. Oh boy, what a nice fish. Have to stand up on this guy. Now he's liable to come off, but oh, it's a good fish.
Lip him, lip him,
I'm gonna have to lip him. All right, everybody, here he is. Showing y'all how it's done here. Uh-oh. Gary Yamamoto, store.baits.com. This is what you catch, everybody. This is what you're gonna catch. So let me try to get myself off the floor. Now look how pretty this bass is, everybody. We got to do a real close-up on this guy. Isn't he pretty? Just look how pretty this bass is. We got him. We're shooting from both directions here, but what a pretty fish. Okay, I want to talk to everybody about the topwater frog, and here I've got a popper. And there's so many different manufacturers of these frogs. I can't remember exactly which one this is, but I've got a whole boat full of different frogs. I've clipped the legs a little bit. I like to keep my legs short. I do like the popping frog because I like to work it slow a lot of times. This is 60-pound Power Pro braid. I've got a this particular reel is a Shimano Corrado. It's a high speed. I think it's a 7-to-1. And this is a frog stick. This happens to be a Senko skeet reef stick. And what we're going to do now, I'm going to make a cast, and I'm going to show you how I work this. Okay, so we put it out there right on the edge of the grass. Now, ooh, something, watch out. I thought I saw a big ripple behind it. Now watch, I'm gonna move it just a little bit. Now watch how I move this. I like to move it real slow. Can you put it on the bait? And one thing, when one comes up and he grabs it, don't set the hook too easily. Give him a little time. When you feel him pull it, when he's on there good, that's when you come back and you set the hook. So let's just watch this. You can see this popping frog. Now that looks so good, I almost feel like jumping out of the...
He ate it.
What? Something hit it?
Yep. Yep, I got that on video, buddy.
Oh man.
He ate that.
Well, let's put it out there again. Okay, everybody. Boy, did we have fun out there today catching Potomac River bass. And it's about 12 o'clock. The oven is cooking. I think this is going to be the 17th or 18th day where the Potomac, it's been over 90 degrees here in the afternoon. A great day of fishing. I hope you enjoyed the video. We always try to put a lot of fishing tips in there, put some humor, and everybody, thanks again. And the video subscription is My Call Fishing Pro. Hit that subscribe button. Love you all. Fish on. Stay safe and healthy, and God bless America.